Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure, very important to read the disclosure. Normally, we start every day from 10 o'clock Eastern Time to 12 o'clock noon. But today, I'm open a little bit early so I can share the information with you guys. But we start at 10 o'clock, and please hang in there, and we will go through everything at 10 o'clock Eastern Time. You're very welcome. Again, welcome. We will be looking for a new signal. For the ones that are new with us, on the first column, on the left upper first column, you will have a new signal, the direction of the market, the entry of that signal, and then you have an entry price and the target, and then the total PNL. Now the market is changing. That's why you see a little bit in red. And then we have the same thing on the Forex entry. Let me try to space them out a little bit. Entry, target, and the target. They're all based on 1 minute. What we are covering three different automated trade. We are covering the price action, this one here on the left. And then we have the scalpers. And you can see the scalpers right now today is struggling, the scalpers. And then we have the on the Ninjatrader the swing trading, and the swing trading we will be covering. There is a new signal on the ES right now. Entry target 288,775, target 2896. So that's why we came a bit early. So maybe if there is a signal, so some of you can follow those trades. And there is another signal I think it was on the NASDAQ. NYM. They're both, we have a trade on ES and YM entry. This is a very good start. Every day from 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, we try to cover live here on YouTube. And Monday is for members only on a private webinar. Beside the signals, I will be, please, I strongly advise you to go on a sim. Do not follow us on a live trade. We're not allowed to call live trade for you. And for the ones, I would like to test how speedy some of the traders are, especially ours. We are following the signals on the ES, YM, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, everything. But in the same time, when there is a trade in between, I would like to call a trade and not to brag as how many ticks we're going to be making at the end of the day. We all tried that before, where you follow somebody in the room, they claim they have 100 tick, and then you followed every step and you never made that 100 ticks. None of that. What I want to do today, I would like to see how, follow me on a sim or for training purposes, I would like to see how fast is the traders are when we are calling a trade. The reason I need to know how good you are with following, and if you have a light hand or not, or if there is a delay on your end with the internet. So it's only for test purposes only. I would like to, I would like for the traders to follow me when I see a trade. What I'm going to do, I will be calling. We are going to follow the signals from the automated trade. And the only thing I wanted to do, I wanted to call the ES so it will not cause confusion. The auto trades are taking ES, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, and don't get mixed up between those two. Despite the auto trade is taking all those trades, I will be calling them manual trades as well. For a guy come in late or early, he couldn't come out or he couldn't follow the signal, he should not be left alone. I will be calling those trades just on the ES. So have one of the DOM or chart ready, and we strongly recommend to stay on a sim with it. And then if there's any of our traders in there, I would like to have a feedback, how many ticks you nailed out of those trades we call. And if somebody is not on my Skype, want to chat with me, you're very welcome to add me on your Skype. It's a BPT Trade Pro. And then you can be on the Skype with us, and then you can chat with us. And so the first things is, if there's any of our traders here, send me a chat on the Skype, say you do exist, and then we will be calling those trades for you, whether it's a reversal trade pullback re-entry. As of now, we have a reversal. We have a new signal on the Russell, an entry price at 1637 level, and then the target is 1643.2. So this is the new signal. It gives you the direction is buy, an entry price 1637, and the target is 1643. There is no none of this. We do not tell you that we call the trade half an hour or something. What you see is right there on the market analyzer, and you're very welcome to follow it. There is no some kind of crappy trades and all this. So it's up to you. In the meantime, I will try to highlight what's going on in the trades, especially for those guys who they are auto trading. I'll let you know when it is a good time to trade and when there is really a bad time to trade. Because you cannot just sit in and push the button and sit in on a poker table all day long making money. That does not exist in the trade. So for the ones on the YM and ES, we just call those trades right here in front of you. Now we are $350 in that trade and $375 on the ES. That's very nice. There is a much more. Your auto trade is gonna go ahead and nail to the target. This is your target on the automated trade. There is 3 systems in this automated trade: is an ATM strategy, and fully automated trade. For me, I do not like to use an automated trade, fully automated. The reason is because you cannot control the trades. And I like the ATM where I can extend my target if I want to. I can move my stop loss if I want to. A lot of times I take those numbers a little bit more. I get a little bit more out of those trades. So it's not just a black and white. But if you just don't want to mess with it, you just want to trade with a fully automated trade, you will be very welcome to just turn on the auto trade and call it off for today. Now, doing this process, we're going to show you that there is a pullback re-entry constantly in this market. And a lot of traders don't know how to trade the pullback re-entry. This is why we go ahead and highlight to let you know when there is a good potential. As an example, right now, there is a good potential for re-entry on the ES right now as we speak, because this is a pullback. Why there is a pullback? There is a pullback and a double 3 support line right there. So for those guys has missed those trades in here, they can go back and nail it, that trade here. So right now, guys, there is an entry on the ES long as we speak. And for the ones they follow me, if it's any of the members, or if you like to add me on your Skype, you're very welcome. It's a BBT Trade Pro. And you can add me on your Skype, and then you can have a direct chat with me. For any of our traders are following me on those trades, yes, hi there. Okay, Mr. Vito. Hi, Tony. How are you, sir? Yes, other signal was the YM. Yes, there's the YM and the ES here. And for anyone is following us on this trades, you just let me know. Also for the members, if you are in a trade, you let me know where you are on the trade, what number, then I will be more than glad to help you. So so what we are doing here, we are covering 3 different kind of automated trading in here, and plus I'm gonna keep my eye on calling a manual trade as long as it is at your own risk, folks. We're not collecting money, we're not collecting emails. We are going live here, donating every day 2 hours from our work, and this is leaving us with a very short time and giving us a lot of headaches, because those 2 hours there were really value to us, and we giving it away to the public. That's fine, but please do not punish us. If you think you can do better, you're very welcome. We wish you the best, and we wish you really happy trading and good luck with your life. If you like us, you stay with us and you give us a thumb up, and that's all what we ask. To follow us, try to follow us on the sim. We're not responsible for your trade. We're not responsible for your live trade, and we're not allowed to call a live trade for you. So any guy right now is taking a trade, I would like to be noticed, and you let me know. Hi, I'm following you on a YM and an ES. You got it, Ben. Vito, amigo, another one. Tony, are you in? Let me see here. Okay, so you got to be light-handed with your trade, and we will be looking for some of those trades. Let me see what's going on with the NASDAQ. We're about to have a new signal on the CL, folks. So if you wanted to trade the CL, be careful. Probably we are about to have a new signal on the CL. So get ready on the CL. NASDAQ. NASDAQ is coming your direction. Just wait on it. I got my hands full, so sorry, guys. Sometimes I cannot respond to all the chats, but I really got my hands full here. On the swing trading right now, we already done with the swing trading today, but I saved the hour 1 minute trade on the DAX, and this is the 1 minute trade on the DAX. This is what I use every morning, the 1 minute to trade DAX. It took 2 trade and then nailed 21.14, and it was over. There's a new signal on the CL, gentlemen. Entry price 74.36, target 73.97. And now the auto trade has already took that trade. Sometimes I'm really distracted because I have to watch all those monitors, and it is a little bit over my head. So sometimes I miss out the signal. Please do not wait on me to call every bumper. Try to keep your eye on the monitors. I'm covering 10 different instruments, 3 different automated trade, and I'm trying to call a trade. So you can see I got my hands full. My plate is pretty well. So this is the new signal on the CL. You're getting it. The target is 73.98. And hello, Mr. Fernando, our popular guy. Okay, you're welcome, sir. All right. Please identify if you are long or short on any of those. Don't just put the numbers. Just tell me if you are long or short on any of those given numbers. Short or long? Tony, short or long? When the YM signal, if you go back with this video, that's what is nice about it. We're not calling those trades. It's from the signal. If you go back on the video, you will see the YM and the ES was plotted in the same time signal. So it was not just the YM, no, sir. And that's what it's like about it, because you cannot say I call that trade. Those are right there on the video recorded live, you know. You are short on the ES. Why would you want to go short on the ES? It's up to you. And short on the CL. Okay. There is a double support line here. There is a little trouble at 7419, target 73.98. So it's going to take a while before we get this to this target. Oh, okay. All right. All right. Okay, now you make a sense. Yeah. Long on the ES. Fine, very fine. And YM, you let the YM slip from you? Okay, guys, for the ones has not traded yet the ES, I will try to find an entry for you, but it's going to be a high risk trade because if you're not in that trade right now, it's a bit late. Okay, if you are on the CL trade, my friend, you are you are already in the is it one contract or two contract on the CL, sir? What number you are short on the CL? The target is 74, but I'm gonna go ahead and drop it all the way to the 73, 71. This is a very good trend on the CL. One contract, okay. I would never go against you. Why not do that? The funniest, one time we had a guy. He wanted to talk to me, and I said, okay. I mean, I did not know the guy, but then he became a customer later on. He told me, Sam, I made an auto trade, and he spent a lot of money to make an auto trade. And then he said it never worked, and it was losing money all the time. Then what he did, the way he said it, he made me laugh so hard. He said, then I told the programmer to reverse the signals. So the auto trade was in a certain condition to go long and a certain condition to go short. And he told the programmer to make him the opposite, where the signal was supposed to be long, go short, and the ones are short, go long. And he said, Sam, I reversed the signal, and it still didn't make money. So I was laughing all day long over this one here. But that's how it is sometimes, life. Welcome to trading. There's nothing we can do sometimes. Yes, let me see what's going on in this market. We're still on the pullback re-entry, guys. This is a pullback re-entry on the ES. There is nothing wrong with it. I just want to drive you crazy. On the CL, we're doing very fine on the CL. At the moment, we have 300. So some of the traders we have, they are on one contract. So half of it, this is nice. It's not bad. This is very nice. Right now, based on the last entry signal, we have 178 ticks. We're still in the long attitude on the ES, guys. Do not go ahead and short 70, 74.3. Okay. What you need to do, guys, go one tick below your entry price and put a stop loss. One trade, one tick below, and let it be. Do not touch it. Just put one tick below your short trade, one tick. So now this trade is not costing us any money. Do not use an dummy auto trail stop, and we will be letting you know when you need to exit on the CL. Okay, this is your lucky day, guys. Here is your ES is going your direction, and your CL is going your direction. If there's anybody from our traders or chatting on the Skype, you let me know if you are in any kind of trade, please. For the things we have talked about in the webinar for members, and I want to show you those we were talking yesterday in the webinar about the account with a live trade. This is right now we are testing it for the members, and this is how exactly is going to happen. For all the live accounts, here they are. Good. Amigo, try to take one tick above that. If you enter the market at, there is two options. You either try to take one tick above the entry price, your entry price, and one tick below your short trade, because this way you can sit down a little bit, relax. That trade is not costing you any more money. So we have right now I got the feedback from the Skype that we have traders mainly is on the ES and the CL. And oh, yes, come to daddy. Let me see. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. We are looking for a very nice trade on the CL. We have some guys on the YM. We have some guys on the ES. We have some guys ES, YM, and CL. So let's see the YM. The YM trade. The target is 26499, and it all depends on the ES, amigo, to see if we can get a little more push on the ES, because there is a good potential to. The system has calculated the ES target on that trade should be 28.9575. This is the best trade for you today. Oh, okay, wonderful. Long ES, what number? Luma? A bit late. Okay. To just for you guys, try to learn that. Dismiss this dummy trailing stop. Please dismiss it. Try to be a little bit more professional with it. And try to put one tick below the CL if you are, and if you are on the ES, one tick above the buying price. So at least now we can a little bit relax, say, okay, we are on a free ride, already. So we have some guys, they are in the money right now. That makes me happy. You're up to 175. Close everything and run, Luma. Luma, this is the accounts for the members is going to be, and this is right now the performance. So I'm not that kind of guy. We have 13 auto trades. Sit down and type everything on a PDF and write and brag about everything. Everything is here live. The ones cannot understand it, that's very fine. But this is what those are the members account is right there for live trading. So, and we will be covering a little bit more in details later on and next Monday, and we will be covering right now. There is $1,000, on those trades. That's all what we can say in the public. So, okay, did you did you close for real? Did you close your ES? Anybody close positions? Good, Fernando. If you are on it, stay. Let's see what we have. You see, this is the problem right there. There is a pullback on the YM to the 443. So be careful, guys. Don't let it scare you. And for the ones has not take the trade on the ES, guess what? You're very late. Live with it. Wait for the new contract, then the new direction. Where we are, guys. Just give me some feedback, please. I cannot cover technical side from anything right now, sir. Not when we are sitting here and I have a lot of people going and put in their accounts. So all those questions about the setting with the auto trade and all the support, it cannot be live when I'm covering 3 different automated trade, 20 different instruments, calling the trade, follow those guys and the swing, the swing trade, and we have also. So please, those technical questions about what to do with the trailing stop, what is the stop loss with this auto trade or that auto trade, I cannot do this, give support when I'm going live. Please have respect for the other traders, please. Thank you. Or pick up the phone, call me when we are here. Please don't do that. There is some guys are putting their life in here. I cannot be distracted. Anything about trading, what we see on the monitor only, folks, please, only. For the ones that wanted to take the ES, this is a very high risk. There is an entry, but it is a very high risk if you want to take the ES right now, and it's up to you guys. I want to see numbers once we are done. I want to see those guys follow us. Ben, I'm still, yes, sir. Good, Ben. There we go, folks. I want everybody, when we close, to send it to me to see how it is. We called now one trade here on the ES, but it's a very late entry, and it is a very high risk. So if you're not a high-risk trade, don't do that. We are about to hit the target 28957, and let's see if we can bang on that market to the reversal. You don't just make money on the way up. We want to make money on the way down as well. This is the difference between a banana trader and a good trader. Let's see. We can. Oh shoot. The target is 28.95. 28.95. Okay, guys. The short trade on it will be on the ES. We will be looking to reverse the market. We need. We'll be looking reversing this market somewhere around 98.75. Wait, let's see how this Uncle ES is gonna move. Actually, we called one trade when the ES was on the 28.92. So Fernando, try to get out on the exit, Fernando. Strong trend on the ES, folks. And we'll try to go ahead and reverse the market very soon. We hit the CL. Look, Tony, we hit the CL right at the target, missing one tick. So you are at your own game right now, my friend. I don't know what to say to you. So the target is 73.98, and it's up to you what you want to do. You are on one contract, so you are a little bit 250, above 250. So ES, we still have a strong hold on the ES. It's just a pullback. All right, here is one of our victims. All right, that makes me happy. Thank you, sir. Okay, this is the first victim. ES at short, ES at 28.88, short on the CL 74.3. Yeah, he got, I don't know what's his problem. So he said he will never go against me. One contract, CL short, up 225 on the ES, closed ES 250, and the CL up to. Did you close the CL? So you are $500 in the profit, Tony. Get the hell out of Dodge. Do something with your life. Go neck your wife. Go piss her off. Go clean your car. Buy flowers for your wife. Goodbye. Thank you. Don't go back on a trade-in. You're done for today. 500 and less than 20 minutes. You're done, sir. Get out of here. This is the way you need to do it. Yes, sir. Thank you. I respect that. Guys, you cannot be trading day and night, like what this gentleman say. And closed. I closed at 74.09. 3 winners today. I'm done live trading. You okay? You are nowhere. See it. Okay, sir. Don't look at the chart. Go away. $800 on the ES. You know, no matter what you do, Tony. No matter what you do, Tony, this market will always get under your skin. It always get under your skin. You know, so now Tony is hitting himself with his shoes. Okay. Oh, what is this? All this noise is coming. Oh, okay. It's coming from the NASDAQ. Where is the NASDAQ? Okay. NASDAQ. We have an entry on the NASDAQ. We're going to nail the NASDAQ. Right now, guys, from the entry signal is right in front of you. Is 571 ticks based on the last entry. Thank you very much. If you can find a better system, please run and purchase 2 in case if they ran out. Next victim, let's see. Oh, I love you. $472. Yes, thank you. I cannot get that picture out. 400. Thank you, my lady. You made my day. Beautiful. And this is where you exit at 28.92. Beautiful. Thank you. Send us a box of chocolate, Tony. Don't be cheap. Okay. Mr. Amigo here. Thank you, sir. Yesterday from the webinar, you become very famous. Everybody loves you. ES 500, YM 330. Very good. Okay. Good night, amigo. Mucho gracias. Go eat yourself a fajita with a nice drink of beer, margarita. Thank you very much. Go away. Don't let the devil play with your head. Slowly take your mouse, go to the left corner of your computer, turn it off, and run as fast as you can. Hello? Oh, man. Oh, Jesus, man. Okay, we have another victim here. Ben is still on that trade. And holy shit. Oh, sorry, guys. I could forget. All right, sir. Yeah, I didn't. I didn't pay attention to the new signal. Holy shit, man. The 6E25 NASDAQ 320 YM 445 850 ES 406E. Is this 6E and NASDAQ 1370? Where you got the 1370? I have 1003. Oh yeah, no. You got 1,370. I got 1,030. You are $300 more. Okay, from the last entry signal, folks, if you look here at the top, the market analyzer is 700 ticks based on the last entry signal. Total amount 6,220. We have the DAX trades on the swing trading, 7,000 on one trade. Okay. I don't know if I need to show this. This is Ben, Amigo, Fernando, Luma, all of you. This is the members account. This is the members account today. The 9,000. That's all what we can say publicly. All right. Done. ES is finished. We have a reversal. Is over. Close ES, please. Is over. Party is over on the NASDAQ. 900. ES is done. And kiss it goodbye. And now we are looking for reversal, short trade on the ES NASDAQ Dow Jones. We're done, folks. We are very well done. And everyone made over $500 based on one contract. This is very, very smooth ride today. And let's see, do we have anything else left? You know, Ben, Are you still on those trades? What does that mean? OMG, what is it? Maravilloso. So, what does that mean? I don't know. What does that mean? Oh, I don't know what does that mean in Spanish. But thank you, Fernando. The Nasdaq. Now I'm gonna let the trend stop. Take me out of it. It's done. It's over $1,000. ES over $1,000 is done, and now we are looking for a reverse. You see, when you get tired, you cannot reversal trading. We're done with the ES. We're done with the YM, and okay. I'm gonna go grab a nice hot, wonderful. Oh, okay. That's what how you say it in Spanish. Maravilloso. I don't know what it. Yeah. Um, okay. Time for a fresh coffee. Be right back. Thank you. Don't forget, guys, to give us a thumb up, please. Give us some tip. 585 ticks. Now we are 5,517. ES is done. Nasdaq is done. Everything is done. Now we are on a short trade. We are on a short trade mode. Let me see. We're about to go short. So for the ES trader, be cautious not to go any more long trade right now. Is we're about to hammer to the other direction. Actually, you remember what we said? You can go back with the video. I said we need to go short in those area. Amigo, Doringo, are you still here? This is exactly where we were expecting half an hour ago. reversal. It says reversal right here, and this is your first target is 1040. So Ben, flatten everything and give me the numbers, please. Just give me the numbers, please. Let me see if we can find short trade. Well, we are out of the ban, and this is right now, the party is over. Whoever made money earlier today is finished. Whoever didn't make money, didn't make money. That's life. This one here, there is a reversal, and we got to monitor those area very carefully, my friend, because this is out of the band reversal right there. The target is 925. We came into the resistance on the ES. So technically, this party is over on the ES, and there is nothing we can do. Nothing we can do, folks. Nothing we can do. The party is over on the ES and the NASDAQ. I don't want to mess with it. Each one of them made $1,000. The YM, I don't know how many. The NASDAQ 103 takes. From the last entry, you can go back on the video from the last entry. 41 ticks ES, 113 ticks on the NASDAQ, YM 102, Russell 22 ticks. I remember I called that trade because it was a signal in there. 8 ticks, don't spend it in one time, one place on the 30-year Treasury bond. Gold, 15 ticks. DAX, 271 ticks, 3,450. And 6E, 85 ticks. Actually, I just installed to somebody. He is positioned himself. Oh, man. On a 6E, he became a member, I think, yesterday or today. Yesterday, we installed part of it, and we finished it right before we came in. And he positioned himself on the 6E. And now he can see it is 87 ticks. And the CL, I don't, is 21 ticks at the moment. So he managed to take all of them. He managed to take NASDAQ, YM, and ES. 1,000 based on one contract, 995, and 440. And they're all on the one contract. So on one contract, here how you need to calculate it. How much you invested? No, I'm sorry, 2 ES. 2 ES, 1 YM, and 1 NASDAQ. So you have to think about it, Ben. How much it costs you immersion here, guys? Less than $2,000. This is the highest broker. I mean, what is it? Couple ES and 1 NASDAQ, 1 Dow Jones is less than 1,500. So on a 1,500 investment, 1,500 and 2,000. So it's 100%. You cannot. Good luck finding things like this. So to our members, I will keep showing you what I will keep updating you how is the system working for right now we have 950 on the ES. We have 6,000, 7,000 on the DAX and a YM 540. Right now on those trades, 8,717. So on cases like this, what we need to do, flatten out everything, because it was 9,000 a few seconds ago. 9,000 divided by 5 seats. That's this is a pretty good return. Don't take any more long trades on the ES. Even please, for the ones that did go, try to be on a sim route now. And we are about to short out this market out of the band. Target hit, profit taken. There is nothing left on the ES to chew on. It's finished. The party is over. This is a short trade, actually. And right now, whether you are auto trading or not, you're gonna be having a problem with those kind of trades. It's over. Whoever made it, made it. Who didn't, did it. And right now it is 10:46, and on the swing trading, we're still in the trade on the swing trading with the ES. On the swing trading with the 3 minutes, we're still on that trade. The auto trade has not closed it yet. So actually, between the swing trade in here and the price action, there we go. You see, it's over. Let's try to, for the ones that want to follow us again on the ES, we let you know. For the ones that not take that short, we will call another one. It was, look, right on the spot, folks. For the guys have our system, Ben, Fernando, Loma, all of you here. Is out of the band, resistant, target one. This is what we covered yesterday in the private webinar. And if you look at the clock, it's 10:48. It could be there is a potential for the second target by 12 o'clock, and it is a 9:05.75. It could be. But technically, this ES, there is a heavy resistance. We have double reversal signals. Those, they do not repaint. And if we look at the trend exhaustion, this one here has a line in it. Once it has a line in it, it's not like this one does not have line in it. This one has a line. That means this is a signal. So if we look on the technical side from the ES, we have a resistant target one. We have right now our double mag is into the short trend exhaustion, given a short entry, resistant out of the band. It is blinking like a Christmas tree. There is no more trade to the long side. It's finished. It's over. It's done. There is no use you cannot squeeze anything out of it. At the moment, at the ES, for whoever come in right now, want to trade the ES and it's going to go long, it's going to have a hell of a problem taking the trades because it's not going to go anywhere. It's gonna go, look, this is gonna drive any trader crazy in those area here. You cannot go long anymore on the ES. There is a resistance, a heavy resistance at 900, and then another heavy resistance at 90150. So if you are wanted to take long, the probability on that trade to die on you is 9 out of 10. And there we go. Look, dropping. Where is this? Where is this ES going? It's dropping. Where is this ES going? It's coming to the exactly the 93.50 right there. Watch it. 93.50. This is where the ES is going to pull back to. And then from there we can decide if you are not on that reversal trade, then we can decide if this 903.25 gonna hold or not. So this is, look at it, 903, folks. This is your magic number. Look, it's coming to the 903 reversal, out of the band, target, resistant. It's giving you so many signs, such a clean sign, telling you that is over. And now we're coming to the 903.50. Look at it. It's like a watch, like a clock. Look at it. And then from here, we can decide if we wanted to take short or long. But this one here is over. $903.25, folks. This is the magic word, magic number. You're still on the YM. What you're doing on the YM, sir? Run. Close it. Look at this. Once you know the market is beautiful. You're done for today and out. Thank you. Yes. Look at this one here, guys. You see what this ES coming to? To the tick. Okay. All my traders are done for today. And I'm going to stay to show you how this ES going to come exactly where we expect them right there. This is where we're going to decide if we want to go back and re-enter the market as a pullback re-entry, or because by now everybody is saying if you are using if you are using some different indicators, they're telling you now it's about time to go short, ATR, momentum, whatever, MACDs, whatever. But the reality is not. We have to watch this area here, the 93.25. And this is very important to see that how this ES going to react on the pullback re-entry. A lot of traders dismiss the pullback re-entry. I don't know why. It's been with me for like 28 years, and this is one thing you will never run out of style. Is the pullback re-entry, identify trend pullback re-entry. And there we go. This is right now is the key for the ES identify the ES if we are going to be holding in those areas, or we're going to be able to penetrate the 93. So the 93 level, it is your key for now, and you need to keep your eye on the clock. Is it 11 o'clock? And look at this. Look, it's like a clock. 93.25. Look at it. There is nothing magic here. Just put some time behind your computer. That's it. Look. You see where the ES came? It's not. The thing says you should not be following the market. You should be predicting the market. You should have tools predicting the market, whether you are an auto trader or a manual trader. We need to know where is this market going and when we need to take our hands off and when we need to re-enter the market. So this is where something going crazy. What it is, I don't know. Let me see. I have something going crazy. Okay, we have the NASDAQ, YM. That must be the CL. Oh, yeah, the CL. Come here. Come to daddy. Okay, CL. Wow. Look, guys. I don't want to be distracted with the CL. Look, guys. Look where this ES came into. 93 level. You see? This is money. You're just throwing money out of the window. Right there. This is money. So let's look Uncle CL here. We hit the target. It's done. Target is hit and is over. For this one here, also ES is over. Look, folks, to the tick. You see that? This is not magic. This is time behind trading. There we go. We have predicted the reversal half an hour before it happened, and we pinpoint exactly where this market is going to pull back and a re-entry point to the tick. This is for the guy when they call and they say they want to change a job. This is how you want to change a job. Not to just, you need to work for it to change the jobs. Here. CL hit the target. It's finished on the CL. We're about to have a new signal on the ES, folks. We're about to have a new entry on the CL. New signal, YM. A new signal, YM. Is the entry price is 6445. Target 673. Wow. What is it? Here it is. We have a new signal YM.